Hi, this is Luke, and this is using Auto-Tune Pro X Modern Mode for transparent tuning. Now, Auto-Tune is famous for some of its hard tune effects, but the modern mode means that I can get accuracy with a much more organic sound. Now, I have a vocal here that is very nearly over the line, but there is some pitchiness, especially the second time round.
I don't want to know, I don't want to wake up to your forgive me eyes. Oh, I don't want to know, I don't want to have to kiss you goodbye.
Now, I could use the classic mode to grab onto those pitchy notes to correct them, but the problem is that I'm having to use a high retune speed to grab everything, but as soon as I bring in modern mode, I can keep my retune speed and maintain an organic sound.
I don't want to know, I don't want to wake up to your forgive me eyes. Oh, I don't want to know, I don't want to have to kiss you goodbye. I don't want to know, I don't want to wake up to your forgive me eyes. Oh, I don't want to know, I don't want to have to kiss you goodbye.
Now, the modern mode lets me use higher retune speeds, and with the humanize control, I can still retain realism, even when I crank things up over here on the retune. In modern mode, I also get the flex tune control, which lets me preserve the expression of my performance. Auto-Tune Pro X has also auto-detected the type of input, so that's very handy. And I can use the auto key feature, which I get with my license. That also detects the key for me, and I can override stuff if I need to. And if I'm not happy with the detection, I can go into the graphical mode and edit stuff in there if I need to manually. But right now, I just don't need to, because compared to classic mode, the modern mode is giving me the organic feel that I need.
I don't want to know, I don't want to wake up to your forgive me eyes. Oh, I don't want to know, I don't want to have to kiss you goodbye. I don't want to know, I don't want to wake up to your forgive me eyes. Oh, I don't want to know, I don't want to have to kiss you goodbye.
So that is transparent tuning using modern mode in Auto-Tune Pro X. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.